Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So first make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, what you need to do is simply go and open your Facebook application on your mobile. So we want to recover the deleted messages, we need to go and open the Facebook app. So you can see your profile icon in the top right corner, just click on it. So once you are here, simply scroll down and here tap on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. You will see this window will appear for you. So you have to search for something like this, download profile information, tap on it. Here what you will be seeing is all the posts will be selected. Just go and tap on this deselect all like this. Now go down and select messages only. Once you've selected, just scroll down to the bottom and here you can see select the data range. You can select the format. HTML is one of the easiest formats, so we will go for HTML. And we can also select the media quality like high, medium, low. We will go for high. And now just tap on this create file. So the request would be sent here. You can see it would take around 2 to 3 hours, or it could even take 15 minutes depending upon the data and that you have on your messenger. So after all this process, you will see the option here download when this pending is clear, and when you tap on the download, it will be easily downloaded in your PC. So after downloading, once you unzip this file, there will be an HTML file and you can see all the messages of individual people. There will be a list of people. You can simply click on that pupil's name and you would be seeing all the messages and media inside those. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.